Good morning, respected principal ma'am, coordinators, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today we are here to reflect on a powerful topic: our power, our planet. This theme highlights the connection between human actions, our power, and environment, our action. It emphasizes responsibility, sustainability, and positive change.
Have you ever wondered how much power each of us holds by shaping the future of our planet?
Our power is not just about electricity or energy. It's about the choices we make every day, how we use resources, how we treat nature, and how we contribute to a sustainable world.
Actually, the meaning of our power encompasses the power of knowledge, awareness about environmental issues, the power of action, small steps like saving water, planting trees, and using less plastic, the power of influence, educating others, being role models, the power of innovation, utilizing technology to reduce pollution and promote clean energy, the power of kindness, the power of teamwork, the power of words, the power of good habits.
Can you give me an example?
Yes, a single decision like carrying a reusable water bottle instead of buying plastic ones can prevent thousands of bottles from polluting the ocean. Let me show you a skit performed by our friends for better understanding.
Once upon a time, in a beautiful land, a lush green forest stood tall. These trees were more than just plants. They were givers of life. They provided shade to the young and old, a home to many animals and birds, and fresh air to breathe. They stood in silent kindness, expecting nothing in return.
But one day a man with an axe in his hands and greed in his heart. He saw the trees not as life, but as good to be taken. With every swing of his axe, kindness was lost, care was forgotten, and respect was ignored. The trees, once full of life, fell to the ground, leaving the land bare and broken. Without the trees, the world changed. The children lost their playground. The elders struggled to walk in the scorching sun. The birds and animals had nowhere to go. The world lost its kindness and care for nature. With no proper place to play, children have now been addicted to electronic devices. Instead of running under the shades of trees, they now sit indoors staring at screens. Not even children, but adults too have been dependent on electronic gadgets, forgetting the beauty of our nature. Is this the future that we want? But one day the people realized their mistake. They saw the power they had, the power to change and to rebuild and to respect nature. With gentle hands, they planted new trees, cared for them, and nurtured them with love. Slowly, life returned and the forest was reborn.
The new saplings created strong trees, the children play again, and the birds return. The elderly person walks happily in the shade. The earth gives us so much but asks for only one thing in return: kindness.
Respect nature and it will respect you back. Care for the planet and the planet will care for you. The power to protect our planet is in our hands. Let's use it wisely. Well explained. Now let's discuss some current issues. Deforestation, pollution, global warming and climate change.
These issues have significant impacts like melting glaciers, loss of biodiversity, and extreme weather conditions. Our responsibility is clear. The earth does not belong to us. We belong to the earth. It's our duty to protect it for the future generations.
Consider this. If every household reduced waste by just 10%, we could prevent millions of tons of garbage from reaching landfills. To make a difference, we can reduce, reuse, recycle, save electricity and water, plant trees and care for nature, and encourage sustainable living. What small action will you take from today to protect our planet?
Today, we should save our nature. Together, we can protect our planet. Remember, the greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. Let's pledge. We promise to take care of our planet,
We promise to take care of our planet,
to reduce waste,
to reduce waste,
save energy,
save energy,
and be responsible citizens of Earth.
and be responsible citizens of Earth.
Thank you.